Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm back here with another video. Today I'm doing another restock with me. My slime shop is right now restocked, so you can go snatch my slimes. Link in the description. Anyway, let's go get started. You guys, I'm making this cotton candy cloud slime, and I just activated. I put in the activator. It looks yellow on camera, that's weird. But yeah. So this is basically how it is right now. Very tough. But that's fine because it's gonna sit for a little and then I'm gonna add the snow, which will kind of like melt it down. This has been sitting for a day. It's another cloud slime that I'm going to be making and it already like melted down a little bit, which I'm confused about because if you've watched my other restock with me where I actually made this slime, it was like really overactivated. This is the glitter mix for cotton candy cloud, and look at that, it's so pretty. Focus please, girl, please. Okay, now I'm just gonna test out what it looks like on slime. Why won't you focus? Okay, me editing here, so the next few clips are kind of confusing, but basically this is a really messy vlog. So the next few clips are actually days later, and it's after I made the cloud slimes. If you want to see like more like detailed how I actually do it, go check out my last restock with me because it's more informative. So after I let my cloud slimes just like sit for a day, which I just did, I'm going to test the like drizzles and also to see if there's fallout, just so I know if I need to make changes to the cloud slime. So that's what I'm doing right here. It looks like there is basically no fallout. There's some snow already on my table because I kind of forgot to clean my desk after I made them yesterday. But also like all snow slimes do have a little bit of fallout from like every single shop out there. Like even like Slime Obsidian, Slime Yaoi, like all the cloud slimes I've ever tried from any shop, they've always had just a little bit of fallout. However, I do think that this recipe makes for a great cloud slime with very, very minimal fallout. Okay, so this is my snow globe slime, and if I'm going to be completely transparent with all of you guys, I'm guessing that I haven't sold one of these snow globe slimes in like maybe like a month because, you know, it's a seasonal slime and it's not winter anymore. It hasn't been for like a month, so you know, we need to get rid of this snow globe thing. But obviously, I'm not going to just throw away the slime, so I'm basically going to revamp it. This is totally like clean and all that because I'm selling it. I was selling it before, and I'm not like, I don't know, doing anything weird with it, so this is completely sanitary. It's just, it hasn't been selling for a while, and I'm going to revamp it and make it a new slime. So as you guys know, I don't often do this. I think I might have, I don't know, I barely ever do this, but just for like this seasonal slime, I'm just like, you know what, not having it, because yeah, and all my other seasonal slimes have sold out like a while ago. So, you know, just time to redo this slime. Icee slimes and cloud slimes have just been like shop favorites for a while now, so I decided, you know, this slime drop is going to have Icee slimes and cloud slimes, and that's it. I probably will actually be adding recipes to the shop with these slimes, just like, you know, for the slime drop, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so I think that this marks the end of the video, but this is basically the, I'm pretty sure, completed version of Blue Skies Ahead. I think that's what I'm gonna call it, I don't know though. But this slime is so amazing, getting ready for late spring and summer, because it's scented like, just like a summer day. It smells like warm vanilla and also like a fresh bouquet of flowers. So this is like one of my only floral scents, floral scented slime. But yeah, it's so amazing. If you would like more of like a specific and like true to what I do every restock or slime drop, definitely go check out my other restock with me for this slime drop. It will be already posted about like a week ago maybe. So yeah. That one is, I feel like it's less all over the place and it's more like, yeah, just true to what I actually do. This one's just showing a bunch of random parts of it, I guess, but that one will be full coverage, all of what I'm doing. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!